Hello, welcome for today's tutorial. I hope you are going on very well. Today I'll be teaching about the PrEP 731. So let us check it out. I hope you have logged in. The first thing when you logged in, when you log in, you'll see this screen. Now navigate to home. After home, this report module. Go to report module, click on it. Then we are going to deal on PrEP. So there is a tab there, click on PrEP. So we shall start here. This is MOH 731B report for PrEP. If you have clients that have been initiated on PrEP or they are currently on PrEP, then this report will be very helpful in reporting those numbers. So let's go straight away and see how to generate it. Now you click on 731 report. Now you'll see there is a request a report. You click on it. Then we select the month that we want to generate the report. For me, I will generate for June, from June 1st, 2023 to June 30th. And just to remind you that we are using KenyaEMR version 18.6.0. Then after selecting the date range, then we request report. The report takes around 5 minutes or less, depending on the data that you are requesting and the serve of the speed. So my report this has been generated. Now I'll download using the Excel. The reason why I like Excel is because it keeps the format of the report intact and it does not change it. So it is easier for you just to print it and send or use it the way it is. Now we will go and click on Excel, and note that our report that you have just generated lately, it appears on top of the other reports. Now let us save our data. Now my data has been downloaded, so I'll click on it so that it opens. Next, the report is ready, as you can see. Now let me enable editing so that I'll be able to show you how to print the report. Now this is our report. You can see how it appears. Let me reduce it so that we can see how it appears. Now this is the report, MOH 731 Plus PrEP Summary Reporting Tool. It shows the name of the facility. When you are using the EMR, it does everything for you, provided the data you have entered is correct and you have entered it without error. There's many ways to correct the reports. I will also cover step by step how to clean the EMR report, EMR data. You will find various data entry errors, and I'll show you the common errors and how to correct it to make sure that your data is very accurate, so that it doesn't consume a lot of time when you want to report. So as you can see, the number eligible comes here. Then we have the initiated. Those are the new client, and this client must have taken a test. And we also have the criteria for someone to be initiated on PrEP using the RUST tool. If you don't know about the RUST tool, you can also view search on my website or on the YouTube channel. You'll be able to find the RUST tool and the video how the screening is done on EMR. Now we have those who are continuing. So we shall talk about the report in details, step by step, if you request. I hope everybody has some knowledge on the report. Or if you are producing it manually, you can request so that I make video and show you what goes where. Okay, so this is our report that we have generated from KenyaEMR. Now, maybe let's say your report is ready and it's free from errors. You want to print it and take it to the MOH. This report is submitted monthly to Ministry of Health. So I'm assuming your report is ready, free of error, so you just want to print and take it to your sub-county. So what you do, we shall highlight your report like this. Make sure you don't leave out the important details that you want to carry with the report. So after highlighting like this one, we shall come to page layout, then orientation. We shall remain with portrait. Then we come to select print area, then we will set print area, what we have just highlighted, then we set like that. Then we want to make our report to be one page, both the length. Now the width will be one page. We also want our height to be one page. Wow. Now we go to file, depending on the version of the Excel. Now we go to print. We want to see the print preview. The print preview shows our report is very short. Now we go back. Maybe I can leave this one and say it is automatic. Let us see how it will behave. So let us print and see what it gives us. It is still. Now what I'll do, I'll enable automatic, then add this percentage. Okay, my computer is taking too long, but it is now at 60. Now I'll put one page on width. Oh, let us see. Okay, we can also make the report. Let us see if we change it to landscape. We want to see what will happen. Now, to the landscape, it looks good. Okay, it looks good. So after printing, now you will use your printer, or if you want to print on PDF, you just come to printer, you select printer, then you come to Microsoft Print to PDF. This one will appear to PDF. and you will save the file in format of PDF. After that, you will sign here, reported by, the signature, the date, then reviewed by. Now that is the MOH 731 Plus PrEP Summary Reporting Tool. You have now successfully created your MOH 731 PrEP Summary Tool, and you are ready to go. Thank you for following up. If you have any comment or any review, don't hesitate to contact us through the comment or the contact form, and also the subscribe so that you can get useful video about EMR and Excel, and any other question you can have. I also do training to staffs, so you can contact me so that we can have training on EMR and other aspects in technology. Thank you, and I wish you well as you continue to learn EMR. Thank you very much, and follow me up. We shall be posting another video on tutorials on KenyaEMR and the reporting, and also Excel. Thank you very much.